Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What if the reason most people struggle financially is not because they don't work hard, not because they don't earn enough, but because they misunderstand one simple idea: the difference between an asset and a liability. It sounds basic, but this single concept quietly shapes your entire financial future. And once you truly understand it, you start making completely different decisions. Let's break it down. Slowly, clearly, so you can actually use it. First, what is an asset? An asset is something that puts money into your pocket, not someday, not maybe, but consistently, over time. It generates income. Examples: a rental property that pays you monthly, a business that earns even when you're not working, stocks that pay dividends, digital products that sell again and again. An asset works for you even when you're not working. Now, what is a liability? A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket again and again. It costs you. Examples: a car with high monthly payments, a phone upgrade every year, subscriptions you don't use, or even a house that constantly drains money. Here's where it gets interesting. Some things can look like assets, but are actually liabilities because they don't produce income, they consume it. Now pause for a moment. Think about your current situation. How many things you own are truly assets, and how many are quietly costing you money? Because this is where wealth is built, not in how much you earn, but in what you keep and what you grow. Here's the key idea: wealthy people focus on buying assets, while most people spend their money on liabilities without realizing it. Let's make this even clearer. Imagine two people. Person A gets extra money and buys a new car. It looks good, feels good, but every month it costs money. Insurance, fuel, maintenance. That's a liability. Person B gets extra money and invests it in something that produces income. Over time, that income grows. That's an asset. Now imagine this happening over years. The difference becomes massive because assets compound. They build on themselves, while liabilities do the opposite. They slowly drain your resources. Now, this doesn't mean you can't enjoy your money. It means being aware of what you're buying and why. The goal is to build a strong base of assets so your income doesn't depend only on your time, because time is limited, but assets can keep growing even without you. Now here's a powerful shift. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" ask, "Will this make me money or cost me money?" That one question changes everything. Over time, you start choosing differently. More assets, fewer liabilities, and slowly, your financial life begins to change. Because wealth is not built in one big moment. It's built through small, repeated decisions day after day. So start simple. Focus on adding just one asset, then another, and another. Let time do the rest. Because once you understand this concept, you're no longer guessing, you're building. If this made things clearer for you, you're already ahead. Stay consistent. Stay aware. And I'll see you in the next video. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.